will guide you through how to hide boards in Trello. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, accessing the Windows Start menu from your desktop, so you can search for applications installed on your computer. Once the Start menu appears, click on the search bar and type Google Chrome to quickly locate the browser. When Google Chrome appears in the search results, click on it to launch the browser on your computer. After Google Chrome opens completely, move to the address bar at the top of the window, type Trello, and press the Enter key on your keyboard to search for the website. From the search results page, click on the official Trello website and wait for the page to load properly in your browser. Before continuing, ensure that you have already logged into your Trello account so you can access your boards and workspace settings without interruption. To hide boards in Trello, scroll down through the home page until you find the specific board you want to hide from a dashboard. You may choose a board from either the Recently Viewed section or the Your Workspaces section. For this example, select a board from Recently Viewed. Once you click on the board, the main page will transition into the detailed view of your selected Trello board. Next, move your cursor toward the top right corner of the screen where additional board settings are located. Look for the three-dot menu icon and click on it to open more options related to the board. After clicking the icon, a pop-up menu containing several settings and actions will appear on your screen. Carefully scroll down through the available list of options until you locate the Close Board setting. Once you find it, click on Close Board to continue the process. A confirmation dialog box will then appear in the middle of your screen. Take a moment to read the brief explanation provided, which mentions that you can reopen the board later if you need to access it again in the future. After reviewing the information, click the Close button to confirm your action. Your selected board will then be hidden and will no longer appear on your Trello account's main dashboard. If you ever want to restore the board later, you can reopen it from the Close Board section within your Trello account settings without losing your saved cards, lists, or important project information in the future.